If you're not getting enough leads on your website, chances are you're not ranked high enough in the search engines. Luckily, we have a very simple strategy that changes that in a matter of days. Hi everyone, it's Patrick from Flood Your Business. Make sure that you subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping content every week to help you grow your business. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about something called SEO. And if you don't already know, that stands for Search Engine Optimization. And this is basically the way that you are ranked inside of search engines like Google. Now, this could be a complicated subject. However, today I'm going to give a very simple strategy and explanation of how we get our clients ranked really high, really fast, and you don't have to be techie to figure this out. Now, if you go to a Google search and you type in a service, what's going to happen is two things essentially are going to pop up. The first thing is going to be Google listings, essentially where things are in terms of proximity to you, so businesses nearby. The next thing is going to be top 10 businesses according to Yelp. So the strategy that we use with our clients is something that I highly recommend that you do. The first step would be making a list of all of those who you know would give you a 5-star review on Yelp. When we're working with our clients, we basically import a list of all of our active clients and we just simply tag them and it adds them to a campaign automatically. Now, if you're new to business and you don't have any clients, what I would highly recommend that you do is consider either discounting your service or trading your service for 5-star reviews. One thing that's really important is that you're not just asking for reviews, but you're actually asking very specific questions that you want your clients to answer about you in the review. And this is very important because search engine optimization is based off of keywords. So you want to be asking questions of them that their answers will have the keywords that generally people are searching for. Now, you might be wondering, what should I do, Yelp or Google? And the answer is yes. However, because it's harder to get ranked in Yelp, we actually recommend that you do that first and then ask the client if they would be nice enough to actually copy and paste inside of Google. Not everyone will copy and paste, but you will get ranked higher in Yelp, and because Google is proximal with searches, you will still get some reviews that people will see, okay, this is a legitimate business with 5-star reviews. It's important to note that following up with your clients about these reviews is important. So give it a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days, to check to see what kind of reviews come in, and then do a follow-up message and ask if they were able to actually do that. You should see a huge boost in traffic once you use this strategy. In fact, when I opened my first location, we had 30 5-star reviews before we even opened the door. What I did was I sent out a campaign to all the clients that I was working with at the time. I told them, hey, we're going to be opening up a new location. We would super appreciate you reviewing our service. And we opened the doors and we had a ton of traffic because of it. Now, in terms of optimizing your site for SEO, there are a lot of what's called WYSIWYG sites, which means what you see is what you get. For example, Wix and Square are examples of these type of sites where they're like drag and drop sites. A lot of these sites actually have SEO functionality within them that is pretty intuitive. So make sure that if you are using one of those sites, you go through that process to make sure that you are more searchable. Now, if you're using a site like WordPress, there are plugins that you can use to help you improve your SEO. And again, you want to choose a program that is on your level and that is intuitive. Now, if you're not a techie person and you can't figure out the before mentioned, what I would say is you may want to consider hiring somebody for SEO. However, the first strategy should really help to get you way more traffic to your site. Like I said before, this strategy has been incredible for boosting organic traffic to our clients' sites. It's very simple to do, and I highly recommend that you employ this strategy as soon as you can. If you would like to grow your business and get access to hundreds of marketing tools, join our free Facebook group. I will leave a link in the description below. Alright everyone, that is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping content every week to help you grow your business.